Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Gritter, and welcome back to another Portal video. Yeah. So I'm here with Dan in real life, actually. So I'm not actually on Skype with someone. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. Say hi.
Hi.
And oh my goodness. Holy crap. Freaking oh no! Okay, yeah. Hardcore parkour. I have no idea what I have to do. Oh, I have to get above there. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh no, oh no! Oh.
They don't close in all the way.
They don't? Oh, they don't. Well, that would have been nice to know. Okay. Oh. But that does happen. Okay. Oh, I think I understand what I have to do. I think I have to shoot it down there. And then have one right there. No, have one above it somehow. Because there's this thing. Where is it that I'm trying to get to? I'm trying to get above there, I think.
What are those two holes on the top?
What two holes? Where? The...
I think those are just those circle things.
Oh. Yeah, those are just the circle things. Let's try right here. And right here. So we just jump on through. Kind of. Ooh, no! Oh no. Crap. Alright, let's try that again. Go over here. Oh crap. This is intense. Oh no. It kind of pushed me off. Alright. I'm just gonna keep that on the ground and have this one be like where I have to go to, I think. Or what? No. No, that's interesting. It doesn't push me out. Oh. Can I do that? Oh. Hello. Oh, I have to be through here. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, crap. No, that's... Alright, I think I know. Okay, so now I have to go... Wait till this one is... No. Okay. Never mind. That was bad. Bad grader. Alright, so... That. Yes! Alright, so now I can just shoot the orange one there. Just fall down.
Oh.
Wow! Wow. Oh my goodness. I feel like an idiot! Okay. Let's do that again. Now we'll just do a shortcut up to there. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Oh. Alright. Interesting. Alright. That was really not that hard. So now we are here. And go this way, I guess? What's down here? I don't know. Ooh. Those things look like they might hurt. A little bit. Hello. Can I shoot? No. No, that's not something I can shoot, I don't think. Can I just do... Yeah, I could just travel along here. Or do I have to... Do I have to go in? I really don't want to. I'm gonna save before I do that, because if I don't want to go in there and I die or something, that would not be fun. Oh, yeah, I thought that was clear. I thought I could jump down there. I guess not. Maybe over here or something? I don't know. Where can I jump down? I could have sworn I would have been able to jump down from there. Oh, maybe I do like this? Oh, ooh. I think that's what I had to do. One day you will remember this and laugh and laugh and laugh. Just make that into like a little song. Like, one day you'll remember this and you'll laugh. Alright. Where do we have to shoot this other one? I don't know. Oh. Where do I... Can't... What? This equipment. Oh, maybe I have to go past there? Ooh. I think so. Alright, I'm gonna wait till it goes back in and then crouch underneath it. Okay. Now what? Now what? Now what? We just passed it and that's it, okay. That's very helpful. What the heck? Why did we do that?
I think it's even worse now.
What the heck? I'm gonna wait till that goes back again. And go under it. I don't understand. Can I make it through there? Should I try to make it through here? Alright. YOLO! Oh!
Nice.
Oh! What? What? Okay, I'm gonna save it right here just in case. YOLO! Alright, alright, I guess this is a new level in the boss level kind of thing.
Supplies.
Alright, so we can crouch and get in there. Man, if only we had these back like before the other level. We could have... Oh wow. Hold on, I'm gonna load that because I kinda just like mess it up. Because we might need to stack. I don't know, we've never needed to yet. But
This looks scary.
do you think I should trust these? Should I trust these?
Trust fall.
Oh!
Oh, oh
Wow.
no. Oh, barrels, you stack them.
Hold on, what's this?
Oh,
Oh!
what
Ooh!
is that?
Ooh!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I know what those are. I know how to get rid of those. I have to get rid of those, okay. Ah, this is not... Crap.
Stack the barrels.
No, I can just hit them.
Searching. I don't hate you.
Oh, crap. No, oh, I'm screwed. Yeah, I'm done.
Crouch behind a barrel, maybe.
Yeah, good idea.
Oh my goodness.
Or just
there's
hit
so
it with a
many of them.
barrel.
Activate.
Yeah, use the barrel to guard myself.
Riot shield.
Who's there?
Oh, jeez. Yeah, those things really spaz out, as you may have noticed. What?
Oh, you hit yourself with the barrel.
I'm such an idiot. Oh, do I go up here? I don't
That's
know.
what drops the stuff. The shooters.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. Look at that.
Nice one.
Swag.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, you go up there, Zach.
Oh, whoops. Just, oh, okay. That is very trippy. How trippy is that? Alright, I'm gonna just... Oh, you can go there. Alright.
Oh,
Whoa!
whoa.
You're not a good person. You know that, end up here. Can you hear me?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
There's two of those things.
Ladder looks perfect.
I'm gonna go up here. Can I make this?
I think so.
Alright,
Oh no. Oh, be careful, it might break.
no, I know how to do. A few of them are already knocked down. Is there anything I can throw down onto them?
I don't know.
Oh, what's this over here?
Oh, that was that thing.
Yes, we're at the top of the...
Oh, what?
We're behind one of these? Hello.
Whoa.
I'm gonna save it right here. Just in case, you know.
This
Don't want
game's
it.
really cool.
Yeah. It just annoyed me, like, that it didn't really, like, we got stuck on that one level. That's the only thing that really annoyed me. Is this a Wii? Is this a Wii? What is
I
that?
don't know. It's in the yeah, I think so.
She's watching you. Help. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie.
Oh, what's with
The
the cake? What is the cake?
I don't know. I'm thinking the cake is a false reward that actually kills you. That's what I'm thinking.
Good observation.
What do I do here? Yes? No, we just came down from here, so over here it says.
Oh yeah.
It says on the thing that says over here. If it's pointing upwards, then
What the heck?
you should be able to shoot something, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll stand on the edge of the portal. That's right up here or something. I don't know. I think we could do that and shoot it. I think I have to shoot that. Ooh, yes, shoot that right there. Oh no! I'm gonna go right there. And let's see. Can we... Alright, I'm gonna move this down a little bit.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Is that what we have to do? I think so, probably. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta make like a huge jump.
Alright, let's do this.
Nice.
Boom. There we go. Ooh, what is this?
This is your
Oh,
fault.
it's like a mental health.
It didn't have to be like this. I'm not kidding now. Turn back or I will kill you.
Jeez. Little hard.
I'm going to kill you. And all the cake is gone. You don't even care, do you? This is your last chance.
What's the cake? Is it like really real cake? Cause she's saying there's none left.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a troll.
It's a troll.
Oh. What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oh. Oh my goodness. It's at its bottom. Oh yeah, make it shoot the glass.
That's hard. Oh! Yes! 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 We made it. Save. I don't wanna, you know, die and then have to do that again. That was pretty intense. I didn't actually think I was gonna do it on my first try. Okay. Something tells me this is the boss. You know. Over here. Well, I can't go through there, so.
I think you should portal the machine over here and then
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
it
Good.
shoot
Good.
the
Good.
glass.
Good. Good idea. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Did you get it?
I don't think
No,
I
it's
did.
not- it's not falling.
You can't. Can you move this thing? I don't think you can move this. How do I do
It
this?
stings.
Oh, I can do that. And get it in the portal. Like, make it hit the portal. Crap. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I see. Like make its shot go through the glass.
Yeah. Boom.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna put that there so that we don't have to worry about it. Or well, that there, I guess.
Uh-oh.
How much you want to bet we're in a mental hospital? This is not normal. How do we get up? This is over here, so yeah, I mean, I guess, but how do we get up? It's probably a good thing to know. Or maybe we just do like that fall thing.
Maybe you gotta get on top of the tube.
Maybe. Probably. So let's put that there. And then that. I don't think that's possible. Or. Wait, how about this? And that. No, you can't fit up on the tube. Oh, maybe have the cannon thing destroy the tube,
Maybe.
and we stack one of the things that falls down.
Hopefully. That'll work.
I don't know.
So how the door just stays there.
I know. Alright, let's get it through here. No. Oh, what? Where did I go? Crap. I have to go over there again. Okay. Let's try this
Stay
again.
in one spot and then when it makes the noise move over and use the blast portal thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't
Didn't.
go.
Oh, yes, it broke it.
Oh!
Yes!
Nice.
How did I think of that?
You just thought it.
I thunk it. I
I
thunked
thunked
it.
it.
I thunked it well. Okay. Awesome. That is awesome. I'm assuming that fan is going to kill us. So I'm gonna shoot it there. Go back.
Oh, maybe save it so you don't have to do everything.
Alright. It does autosave it sometimes, so.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Hello again? Oh, whoops, wrong one. Alright, now we have to go over here again.
I think you have to get on top of that little metal pipe.
I don't know. For now, we're just gonna do this, because I don't know about that. Where's the other one? Alright, there we go. Hello?
Oh no.
No.
Oh, that's a
Yeah, I know. I just don't like the water, you know?
things you don't have it.
That's why it's loading.
Bullseye.